Right, today we're gonna bring a smart chicken coop door, but I found it not just for chickens, but for your actual pets. You can use it. Now, if you can see, it comes with its own power supply, which is gonna be solar, and a battery built in here that you can replace easily. You have to power on your up and down here to manually override and open it, and then in here you got your reset button. All right, your micro SD card, which is gonna record, because yes, this has a camera, two-way audio. You could call your pets in and out. So not just for chickens, but I find that you can use it for cats too, and dogs, and a smaller breed, of course. But this thing, we're going to test it out, see how it works. You're going to have to download the app to install the application for your phone, so you can remote into it and watch the species coming in and out. It comes with a couple things: charger if you want to charge it manually. If you want to connect to a permanent source, you can do that. It has a remote control too, so not just the manual push, but remote and also through the app. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up so you could demo it. It has day to night mode or you set up your own schedule to actually close your door and reopen them. So this is perfect for those that wake up in the morning early bright to let go of your ducks, your chickens, your breeds of animals. This is perfect way to automatically do it auto. All right, so we're gonna test it out right now so you guys can see how it works. They do give you a remote control with a unique battery. All right, if you guys can see, I got the remote control, so this can work through Wi-Fi or without Wi-Fi. Look at that. All right, we're gonna open the application. All right, and then allow it, and then we're gonna go ahead and set this up. All right, connect through Wi-Fi. Go ahead, connect the device to Wi-Fi. Look at that, guys. I'm connecting directly to it. Got the remote working here. Opening it up, we're able to capture from this angle. Unfortunately, I can't see the bottom of it, but it has a sensor here that we can set it up. All right, so we're able to close it. We're able to do alarms, and this kind of like if you want to talk to the system, to your bird, so you can always hit the alarm. It closes up automatically. Look at that. I'm gonna reopen it so you guys can see how it works. And then we're gonna hit the alarm. Look at the alarm, right? When you hit the alarm, look what happens, all right? That could be to call your chickens or your birds, pretty much anything. I'm gonna hit the down button. Look at that. Now, on the remote control, all right, with the remote control, look at this, guys. You can actually close it and open it. Look at that. I'm gonna close it here for the remote control. I'm gonna reopen it. And we could set an alarm too. And then we could do a two-way audio. We're gonna do a two-way audio test. Test, 1, 2, 3, test 1, 3. Chickens come home, chickens come home. It's located right here. The day to night mode sensors right here. You can set up your day to night mode on the system itself, so you could set up alarms in here. Let me go in here. Right now we're at 3% on the battery, so we're gonna charge it. We're gonna turn it off and charge it right now, but I just want you to see a couple of things before we do. But it's really great if you have animals. You could train your dogs, cats to come to the door. I'm gonna show you guys a couple other things you can do. You got your SD card recorder, your clock settings, your device reboot, and so forth. So notifications could be done on your phone too. You have access to a camera, SD card, micro SD card to reader. You can record as much as you can. 2.4 hertz, and it's going to take you throughout the whole day. Rechargeable. Pretty much works with solar panel or any device, or directly to USB connection. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.